is, all done. Should have gas pipe. Use the Pro Press fittings. Apollo, sorry. I don't know what they're called. Mega Press, something press, Super Press. I gotta find out what they call theirs. But you can see everything's on test. Looks all pretty. And it goes out here. Boom.
What is this? Where's that going?
Welcome to Omega Plumbing Services. This is the end of the day. Now, I have some news for you. So, we are finishing this up. This is an ADU. No, this is a house in San Luis Obispo. Now, we're being pushed because they need to get the floor down. They need to get the floor down, but we don't want to work underneath the crawl space. So, we had to push the carpenter off so we could do our plumbing. At the same time, we had to get this done. We had to get the other section done, which is basically a whole other house. It's an ADU, additional dwelling unit. And there's 2 bathrooms, 1, 2, and there's a kitchen sink. So they gotta get this done because you know why? Because in California, they allow you to put plumbing in the footers, in the concrete, which is kind of strange. Because everywhere else I worked in the country, they always wanted me out of the concrete. But here, they allow you to go into the footers, which is kind of weird. So what you do is you have to wrap your pipe. So what kind of stress is on the pipe, I wonder, inside those footers? I don't know. So there you have it. Here's our plumbing. That is for the bathtub. It's a vent, trap arm underneath it. That goes to the laundry. This goes that way. 2-inch goes up to an upstairs laundry. We've got 1.5-inch gas pipe. We've got 3-inch water closet upstairs, 2 lavatories. Oh, somebody had some interesting music. Water closet, all kinds of stuff going on here. Another water closet, another vent. And look at that, isn't that strange? You can't get in the outside wall. Very weird. Okay, we got things to put on test still. That over there is interesting because they wanted me to come over here, but they didn't even pour this yet. So look at, they had to pour this, let this set up, then he's gonna build this plate. That's supposed to obviously cure for a certain amount of time before you put stress on it. Who knows? We're in the world of hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The other jobs I have are custom remodel, guys. It's a little bit different. This is like, I don't know what this is. This is how you fill up. 10 foot ahead. Well, there you have it. We're done. Now we're on inspection. We're on inspection. No. We're on test with the water. Put our 10 foot ahead. And we're out of here. So thanks for watching. See you another time. Boom.